Hello students, welcome again in computer class. We learned chapter number 6 half. Now we will learn about half lesson part 2. Let us now learn some logo commands. First of all we will learn about FD commands. What is the FD command? FD means forward. FD command is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. The turtle will move in forward direction as many steps as specified in the value written after FD commands. Example, FD 50 will move the turtle 50 steps in forward direction and a line will be drawn. Look at the picture. Here we have turtle and the here shown movement of the FD commands. Now second one we have BK commands. What mean of BK? BK means backward. Backward command is used to move the turtle in the backward direction. The turtle will move in backward direction as many steps as specified in the value written after BK command. Like that BK 75 will move the turtle 75 steps in backward direction and a line will be drawn. Look at the picture. Here turtle home and shown the how to move the BK commands. Then we will learn about RT commands. RT means right turn. RT commands is used to turn the turtle head in the right direction. The turtle will turn its head in right direction with the angle specified in the value written after RT commands. Look at here. Turtle will be head off in right direction. Remember that RT command does not draw any line as FD and BK commands do. It only changes the direction of its head. Example, RT 90 will turn the turtle head with 90 degrees in the right direction. And what about LT commands? L means left turn. Now turtle will be turned into left side. So that this command called LT command. Here RT commands mean right turn. LT commands mean left turn. LT command is used to turn the turtle's head in the left direction. See. Remember that LT command does not draw any line as FD and BK commands. Example, LT 45 will turn the turtle head with 45 degree in the left direction. See here. Here turtle will be moved like 45 degrees. But which direction? Left side. Now we have CS command. CS means clear screen. CS command is used to clean the drawing. What the use of CS command? It is used to clear the drawing from the logo screen. Unlike FD and BK commands, CS command does not require any value to be written after it. Remember that. Here no value written after CS command. Pressing enter key after typing CS command will clear all the drawings from the screen. Turtle will come back to its home position also, or turtle will be come to back to its home position. Now we have CT commands. CT means clear text. Here CS means clear screen. Here CT means clear text. Here we can clean our drawing and here we can clean our written text area. CT commands is used to clear the commands written in text area. There is no need to write any number after CT commands also. Like that CS command, here also no any values written after CT commands. So now you got it. Which are the commands here? BK commands means backward. RT means right turn, LT means left turn, CS clear screen, CT clear text. Now other some useful commands also. Let's see HT commands. HT means hide turtle. Using HT commands we can hide the turtle from the screen. Remember that turtle draws line using FD and BK commands even when it is hidden using HT command. So that HD means hide turtle. ST commands. ST means show turtle. We can see the turtle. ST command displayed the hidden turtle back on the screen. Now clean command. Clean command is used to clean the drawing from the screen. Clean commands does not change the place of the turtle. The only differences between CS command and clean command is that CS command clear the screen and bring the turtle, and clean command only clears the screen but does not bring the turtle at home positions. This is the difference between the clean command and CS command. Now we have home command. Home command brings the turtle back to its home, so that it called home command from wherever it was, and will draw line on that path also. Now PU command. PU means pan up. This command will lift the pen or turtle up, and turtle will not draw any line behind it when moved from one place to another. Pan up. This command is useful to leave blank space between two diagrams. Now PD commands. PD means pan down. This command will put the turtle pan down so that it can draw lines. Look at the picture. Let's understand PU command and PD command with following example. Look at the first. This is the our turtle. Then RT means right turn. Then FD means forward direction. Then PU. Look at this. Means pan down. And PD means pan down. So now you got it, the other logo commands. HT command hide turtle, ST command show turtle, clear command means drawing from the screen we can clear, home command then we can brings the turtle back, PU command means pan up, PD means pan down.